just got to Dorney Park. Josh and Jimmy are gonna go to the bathroom, and then I think we're gonna try some rides. Waiting for the other part of the Harvey Cat boys to come. Tiny, Cotter, Luke, Hardy, and Zarang. Should be a good time. Revolution? Oh, after eating? Absolutely not, dude. I'll throw up. Like, actually. We got like meal passes, and it was like 11 o'clock, 11:30, and we got some food. And I'm really full, and Josh wants to ride the spinning one.
Hell no, I don't.
As a joke, and I would actually throw up because I'm so full. But I think we're gonna do this.
The only ride I
one right here. This wooden one right here. Unless we might do that one over there. That ride was fun. Bryce probably doesn't think it's fun though.
That's still the worst for me.
Yeah?
Run it back. Run it back.
I think Bryce will take one if we run it back. Then take a 5.
Make me human. Lost and alone.
We just ate again for the second time, and we found the rest of the crew. The boys right here, all matching shirts.
Do you believe in life after life? We're gonna go on the hydro one more time. We gotta go on the front.
We bogged in the parking lot. Did you actually?
Yeah. And then we're ready for the.
We bought tall boys at a beer store, which is why we were so late.
And a 12-pack
at 4 places.
And we bought.
And then we bought Mountain Dew seltzers, the Baja Blast flavors,
Not
and
good?
we bogged in the parking
Those are
lot.
good. Those are super good.
They're very sweet.
Those are good.
It's 2 tall boys and 2 seltzers.
We're kind of fucking very nice.
Alright, can I go do one more?
How about your food? How much food have you had?
We had a meal. I ate a whole dog.
I was asleep the entire steel force. No, I didn't. Tiny and I were both closed eyes the entire ride because we didn't know where we were trying to take a sleeping picture.
That's funny.
Cheers, baby. Boy, somebody had a pineapple shirt.
Wait, so
These could kind of look like pineapples from like a top view.
Yeah.
from like a top view.
Yeah, it's a bird's eye view of a pineapple. Yeah. If birds were real, of course.
Yeah. Well, this is what the government sees. All right, which way is the parking lot? That way?
Damn, y'all all just pointed. Everyone pointed in all different directions.
Are we sure that
I'm just trying to sow some chaos.
we can ask?
To be honest.
I'm an agent of chaos. I like it.
Before we leave.
Like 100% the parking ticket says.
It got like super stormy. I think it's supposed to thunderstorm. Oh, Puerto Rican flag. That's kind of cool. No, yeah. Oh, it might be. Oh, it's over here. But yeah, so we're gonna leave the water park. I think we're gonna go grab some beers, the other boys, and then come back to the park to go to the water park and Lazy River. That is the plan. Nope. Oh, fuck off.
Oh, down in the valley, rare bog, down in the valley.
What are we at right now? It's been enough times. I should know at least a few.
They're next to the bird.
White it's not as bad as Twisted Teas when you said
Is
that.
it our turn?
I am rare bird, rattling bird, the bird in the nest, and the nest, and the lamb, and the lamb, and the branch, and the branch, and the tree, and the tree, and the hole, and the hole, and the bog down in the valley.
Yeah,
Wait, you got a question? You're gonna be a problem.
The branch, and the tree, and the tree, and the hole, and the hole, and the bog down in the valley. I can carry some ring out, but I don't know if I can carry it. It's just gonna lazy river for 2
Did you
hours.
say I'm gonna be a problem?
Yeah.
they're gonna put you too.
This is a Rundle circa.
not even. I'm not that old.
Bro, good thing is baseball started until like
11.
Everyone else was so upset, and I was like, guys, let's look at the silver linings here.
I love how Jimmy finishes his chugs. He's like,
Come on!
Yeah, yeah. By the way, I'll never let these thoughts see the light of day. Please don't run away. Wherever you are, feeling out of place. Think I'd rather stay. I wanna stay for a while. I wanna move your way. No, the roof might cave in. All of these snakes in the wild. I'm about to lose my brain. Tell me who gon' save me.
Wait, are we just sitting here?
okay.
Terrible.
In the house for a very long time. Never I cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on? About time I open up, you can't roll with us. If you want peace, go and throw up the sign. If you want feast, get the animal fries. Put her on her back like Charles Dupont. I get choked out for the 100.